Hi everybody, it's a beautiful day in where we are in West Wales, and we're out on the first advert Hannes Cymru video, and we're at the archaeological site that we actually own. And let's sort of swing this around and see what we can do. Right, so this is the archaeological site that we actually own, and it's we're going to be here preparing the site. We're going to be excavating, and everything's going to be really set up nice, trim and proper. So sort of going through now. Beautiful day and beautiful landscape and beautiful fields beyond as well, and sort of going down here, going down the slope, and it's really calm here, it's beautiful. And I'm going to go somewhere really nice now. Not to say that it's beautiful. We've got a lot to do to keep the grass down. So we've got to get some old breed of sheep. We got 2 goats at this minute, but they're not here yet. And we've got some nice tree line along there, part of the holding of the land of ours. God, it's really steep. Excavating this site is not going to be easy, but obviously the secrets of the past are the secrets of the past that we're looking for. It's going to be one of those interesting sites that we're going to be excavating. If we find any human remains or anything, we're going to be excavating the remains, leaving them in the ground. If we find any artefacts with them, the artefacts are going to be left with them, marked and photographed. So we're going down here some really nice, lots of gorse bushes, and following the way down here now, really steep bank. And yeah, it's a beautiful day today. You know, they say that the whole of Britain is actually just raining and stuff. It's not wet here. Beautifully calm. So this wonderful site, wonderful vista that we're going to be working on. It's a short video, so I know there's somebody watching at this minute. And if you want to say hi, live chat. So if anyone wants to come on hi and ask any questions, then that's welcome. I'm just going to go down here and sort of move along. Sort of what do this stone here reveal? And it sort of slices down again. Ooh, quite steep here. So we start to go through. Wander along, a big chunk of quartz there. If there's anything being revealed at this minute, anything actually down here. Not that I can see. If there was, I would probably leave it for now. Get into the gorse bushes. And as we sort of go along, and we've got this beautiful, beautiful landscape that we've got here. There's our boundary fence there. So I'm going to end the recording now. I just wanted to go out and do a little bit of a recording. We're going to a little bit of a secret place now, only known to us. So we're going to look at that beautiful foxglove. There she is. I'm looking around as well. This is KARL-JAMES. I'm going to end this recording now. Many thanks for joining me. Beautiful landscape this is. Let's stop the screen. Stop now and